This is Camberwell. This change here for National Rail Services. This train is for Xavier Town. This is Camberwell. Change here for National Rail Services. This train is for Xavier Town. This is Camberwell. Change here for National Rail Services. This train is for Xavier Town. Oh, we're at Finchburg already. Yeah. This is Finchburg. Change here for the North Finchburg, Northfield Circle, Extreme Hill and Finchburg lines and National Rail Services. This is Finchburg. Change here for the Northfield Circle, North Finchburg, Extreme Hill and Finchburg lines and National Rail Services. This is Finchburg. Change here for the Northfield Circle, Extreme Hill, and North Finchburg lines and National Rail Services. This is Finchburg. Change here for the Extreme Hill and Finchburg, Northfield Circle and Northfield Finchburg lines and National Rail Services. This is a Camberwell line train to Xavier Town. This is a Camberwell line train to Camberwell. This is Finchburg. Change here for the Northfield Circle, Extreme Hill and Finchburg and North Finchburg lines. Also change here for National Rail Service. This is a Camberwell line train to Xavier Town. This is Finchburg. Change here for Extreme Hill, Northfield Circle and North Finchburg lines and National Rail Services. This is a Camberwell line train to Xavier Town. This is Finchburg. Change here for the Northfield Circle, Extreme Hill and Finchburg and North Finchburg lines and National Rail Services. This is a Camberwell line train to Xavier Town.